introducing tips once again. So today we're going to discuss about matcha. We're going to see the health benefits of matcha, plus the benefits of matcha on skin, and how to prepare matcha latte tea, plus a small skincare tip with matcha. So let's go. So now what is matcha? Matcha is a traditional Japanese green tea made from the Camellia sinensis tea plant. Matcha has been the cornerstone of Japanese traditional tea ceremony for centuries. So now what's the difference between matcha and normal green tea? Well, normal green tea uses dried bits of certain parts of tea leaf, whereas matcha uses the whole tea leaf instead of just a small part of it. So matcha has more vitamins, minerals and amino acids, which means 1 cup of matcha has 10 times more antioxidants than normal green tea. And you know, antioxidants is a substance which protects your cells from free radicals, which plays a major role in causing cancer and heart disease. Matcha aids you in weight loss, plus it also lowers blood sugar level. Matcha is said to have the highest level of antioxidants compared to any other foods, like whether it is walnuts, pomegranates, broccoli or even spinach. There is a particular antioxidant called EGCG that protects your skin from damage due to exposure to UV rays from sunlight. Though matcha has caffeine in it, it doesn't affect you like the caffeine in coffee due to other chemical properties in the matcha tea. So now because of all these benefits, matcha has started becoming increasingly popular worldwide. So now let's see how to prepare matcha latte. The product that we're going to use today is Seein matcha. This is a 100% organic matcha and it is a ceremonial grade matcha. So there are two types of matcha available, that is, one is ceremonial grade matcha and one is a culinary grade matcha. The ceremonial grade matcha is the highest quality matcha available. So this is what we're going to use today. So these are things we need for making our matcha latte, and this is our Seein matcha green tea powder. And this is our matcha whisk, which is made out of bamboo. If you don't have one, you can use a regular wire whisk. So this is our bowl for making matcha. And we have some water here. And I have honey here. So this I'm adding for sweetness. If you don't want sweetness, you can skip it, or you can also substitute it with sugar. And 3/4 cup of cow's milk. You can also use coconut milk if you want. So let's start. So I'm boiling about 1/4 cup of water. So you don't need to bring it to rolling boil, just steaming heat is enough. When you start seeing steam coming out of the mug, you can just stop boiling. So just about 80-degree heat is enough. You don't need to bring it to boiling point. So now we'll turn it off. It's done. So now let's take about a teaspoon of matcha, a level teaspoon of matcha. Okay, so it's always best to sift this powder before adding water. This is to avoid any kind of lumps. So let's sift it. I'll show you the lumps now. Can you see? There are small grain-like lumps in it. So we need to break all these lumps and make it a fine powder. So it's done in about 2 seconds. And now we'll start adding our steaming hot water. Just add it and use this bamboo whisk. Whisk it in a zigzag pattern or back and forth. Don't whisk it like you would do for your cakes, otherwise you won't get the foam on top. Can you see? So now we'll add our milk. So there is 3/4 cup of milk here, that is chilled milk I'm using. I'm not using hot milk. If you want hot milk, you can also use that, but I like to have it chilled. So now we'll whisk it again. Whisk, 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 whisk. Okay. Just whisk until it gets frothy on top. Okay, it's done. So now we'll add our honey. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of honey. So if you want to add sugar, you can add 2 teaspoons of sugar. But honey gives you a very subtle, distinctive flavor, which I like very much. So it's up to you. So add honey and just mix it up and whisk it again for about few seconds. and it's done. So next we'll add some ice cubes to finish it. And there our very special matcha latte chilled tea is ready to drink. Shall we have this refreshing drink now? Let's try it now. It's really mild and has a grassy flavor to it. It's such a refreshing drink. I really enjoy drinking it. I'm sure you'll love it too. As I told you, matcha has the highest level of antioxidants. It's very good on skin. A matcha mask can help you get rid of acne plus dark circles. So now let's see how to make a simple matcha mask. I have about 1 teaspoon of matcha powder here. So to this we'll add about 1 teaspoon of honey. This is a very simple face mask and it's really refreshing. We'll add some water to adjust the consistency. Mix it to form a thick paste like this and just apply it on your face. I'm showing it on my hands now. So just apply it evenly on your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and just wash it off, or you can wipe it off with a wet cloth. That's a simple matcha face mask for a bright, glowing, radiant skin. So hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching. See you soon with another useful video like this. Until then,